All right, howdy folks. Brian with TNT Over 50 coming at you. Tonight on the menu, fish tacos. Got some mahi-mahi marinating in a couple of eggs, soy sauce, and honey mustard with, of course. So it's gonna be awesome. And I'm gonna do it in the air fryer, so y'all stay tuned. All right, prepping the fish for the air fryer. Just like I did the chicken the other day. Got my gluten-free panko things, panko breadcrumbs here. Press it into it, because with the egg and stuff that's coated on the fish, just press all that stuff into it, and it just adheres a lot better. And in the fryer, it'll just fry better. So there we go. Gonna get them all going. All right, folks, back in from the fryer. Here we go. This is pretty quick and easy. I got like about 30 minutes. The only thing, just pulling the fillets out of the freezer, popping them in the bowl, marinating them, and then pressing with the breadcrumbs. Put them on the fryer for 390 on air crisp for about 10 minutes. So it's pretty good. Naturally, gluten-free corn tortillas. There we go. And starting off, a little bit of guacamole on the bottom here. Put that on there. Little cilantro on the bottom. And what I did with the fish when I pulled them out of the air fryer is I just sliced them up in little strips, so that way you can just stick it right on the taco and good to go. Got some onions right here. I got some pico de gallo with a little bit of mango in it, with tomatoes and all that good stuff. But we got this here, like a coleslaw kind of thing. Slap that on there, and my grass-fed cheese. And this stuff is so good, the grass-fed cheese. Man, if you like sharp cheddar, it's just good. And the texture in your mouth is just completely different than any other cheese. So, last but not least, little fresh lime. And I always do this on tin foil, so that way these things kind of get messy. Just fold them up like this. Put them on a plate and serve it. But it also kind of forms the taco and kind of keeps it and stuff. But there you go, folks. Quick and easy, man. Like I said, about 30 minutes. So until next time, see ya.